In this video, I will cover how to set up auto quotes. Auto quotes are a great way to reduce the time you spend quoting on jobs, and they also increase the likelihood of a driver choosing your garage as they receive a quote faster. We know that when a driver receives a quote within the first hour of posting a job, they are 60% more likely to find a garage. To start setting up your auto quotes, click Auto Quotes on the left-hand side. Auto quotes need to be turned on, so move down the bottom of the page and turn them on. If you want to add a personal message onto all your auto quotes, you can do this by clicking Customize Your Quotes. Add in some header and footer text and click Save. Now all you need to do is add in your prices for your fixed price auto quotes and turn them on. You can customize each of your auto quotes if you want to. You can also preview them to see how they will look. You can also set up auto quotes for services. These can be customised by engine size, car age and fuel type. You can also specify what services are included as part of the quote. The third type of auto quotes you can set up are for our top repair categories. These are the same as service auto quotes, but prices can be set up per car make and model. Every time an auto quote is sent out, we send you an email and also an alert will appear on your newsfeed. To see the details of the job, click View Job. We recommend calling a driver after every auto quote is sent out. To reveal the driver number, click here. That completes this video on how to set up auto quotes. Having your auto quotes set up will really help you to win more work on Who Can Fix My Car.